Welcome dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Adult English Version School, D-Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science test for class 5 student on the based on short question answer and competency based question answer which belongs to chapter 5. So let us move for our today's topic. Dear students, in our previous class we have already discussed about short question answer 1 to 12. Today we will discuss only one short question answer, that is number 13, and then we will discuss 4 competency based question answer. The question is, what type of energy transformation happened to electrical energy while speaking on mobile phone? The answer is, while speaking on mobile phone, electrical energy is changed into sound energy. Now we will discuss about the competency based question answer. The first question is, you hold a cup of ice water and your hand becomes cold. Your friend says that it is cold because the cold from the cup moved to your hand. Is it correct or not? Explain why. The answer is, hot or cold, two states which are defined by presence or absence of heat energy. That means hot is the presence of heat energy and cold is the absence of heat energy. When we hold a cup of ice water, cold cannot move from ice water to our hand because cold is just absent of heat. So our hand becomes cold because of cold moving from ice water to our hand is not correct. Actually, heat energy moves from our hand to the ice water by conduction. Heat energy always moves from hot place to cold place. As heat energy is transferred from our hand to ice water, there will be a large decrease of heat energy in our hands. We know absence of heat energy is cold, so our hands become cold. Now come to next CBQ. Question is, why does the ice transform into water? Why is milk a liquid substance? Substances. Now write 3 reasons on that why milk is a liquid substance. Write one way to remove water attached inside a bottle without sweeping with the help of anything. The answer is, ice transforms into water if heat is applied to it. 3 reasons why milk is a liquid substance are: first one, the molecules of milk are closely arranged but not as close as in solids. The second point is, the molecules of milk have a little space to move around. And last one, the molecules are randomly arranged but not as random as in gases. And last part's answer is, the water on the inner surface of a bottle can be dried up by applying heat. Question number 3 is, write the name of smallest particle of matter. If a piece of stone is dropped into a glass filled with water, some water gets spilled. Which feature of matter is responsible for it? Write in a sentence. Which energy is responsible for the shaking of trees during storms? Write 2 pieces advice on how to stop wastage of energy in houses. The answer is, the name of smallest particle of matter is atom. The feature of matter that occupies space is responsible for the water to get spilled. Wind energy is responsible for shaking trees during storm. 2 pieces of advice on how to stop wastage of energy in houses are: first one, turning off lights, fan, etc. after use. Second one, turning off gas stoves or heaters after cooking. Now come to question number 4. Your mother turned off the stoves after cooking. What energy can she save by this? Write 4 ways of saving energy like this. The answer is, non-renewable energy can be saved by turning off the gas stove after cooking. 4 ways of saving energy are: first one, to turn off electric lights and appliances after use. Second one, not to leave the refrigerator door open longer unnecessarily. Third one, to plant trees to help shade houses on hot summer days. And last one, to open curtain and use the sunlight instead of turning on lights. Now this is your homework. This is homework number 15. You have to do homework as homework short question answer 13 and CBQ answer 1. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number on the board. Do the SW regularly, submit it regularly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.